Hi, we're the cast of Avatar: The Last Airbender, and today we're diving into the art of bending.
Bending isn't just about special effects. It's about physicality and imagination.
Yeah, we learned to sell our bending motions to make them look real and powerful.
Not that you have to be a bender to be a great warrior, but... Okay, show me how it's done.
First up, as the Avatar, I want to see some water bending. Action.
From what I remember from boot camp,
Right.
we were always low in the knees, we're always bending down,
Sit
a
it
little
out.
slow, side to side.
Come on, take it seriously. Let's see it. Let's go full. Go full.
Oh, is this one like that?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah?
Avatar, could you give us some lessons? Yup. Oh. He
Tai
remembers it.
Chi.
Okay, so lift it up.
Pick up rock.
Lift it up. It's so heavy.
It's chill
It's
for
so
me.
heavy.
I'm built like that.
Throw rock.
Ah!
Oh,
Not yet. Oh,
oh.
right.
That was a pebble.
Oh,
Yes.
Where's the rock?
Oh!
Dwayne the Rock!
All right, let's get real. Show me some fire bending.
Well, this one's the easy one.
Oh.
Yeah.
Come on, what are your tips? Come on.
You gotta like bend your knees, get really low.
Firebending was like a lot of fierce punches, remember?
Yeah,
And it was
yes,
quick.
yes.
Hold up, what's up? What's
There we
happening?
go. There we go.
I'm gonna create the most fire right now.
He's at a fireplace.
Wait, hold up, wait. Chill. I'm having fun here. That's fire.
Last but not least, let's see some airbending. Right up, left arm and right arm, like that way.
Okay.
And then slant, then left arm swipe, kind of, and then right arm swipe. Then go a little bit too far, come back, push it forward.
I saw you do this on set a lot, like. Is that right?
yeah.
What was your
that-
signature pose? We could.
Okay.
Yeah. That, yeah.